Introduction to beekeeping in South Africa. Beekeeping is more than just honey. It's about food security, conservation, and working with one of the most important creatures on earth. If you ever thought about keeping bees here in South Africa, but didn't know where to start, this is a series for you. Welcome to Griebenouw bee farming. In this video series, I'm going to show you exactly how to start beekeeping in South Africa, step by step, from your first ever hive right through to harvesting honey and managing bees confidently. Section 1. What is beekeeping and why it matters in South Africa? Beekeeping, also known as apiculture, is a practice of managing honey colonies, usually in man-made hives, to produce honey, beeswax and other bee products. But in South Africa, beekeeping is about much more than honey. Our country relies heavily on bees for pollination, especially for crops like fruits, nuts, vegetables and seeds. Without bees, food production drops, prices rise and ecosystems suffer. By keeping bees even on a small scale, you're actively contributing to agriculture, biodiversity and environmental sustainability. Section 2. Benefits of beekeeping. There are several reasons people start beekeeping. Honey production. First, honey production, raw honey straight from your own hive, is one of the most rewarding experiences for any beekeeper. Pollination. Second, pollination. Your bees help nearby gardens, farms and wild plants thrive, even if you never sell a drop of honey. The income potential. Third, income. Beekeeping can start as a hobby, but it can grow into a side hustle or a small business through honey, beeswax, nucleus colonies and pollination services. And finally, conservation. Keeping bees help protect and support healthy bee population in a world where they face increasing threats. Understanding South African bees. In South Africa, we mainly work with two types of honeybees. First, the African honeybee, Apis mellifera scutellata. The African honeybee is the most common across most of South Africa, and it's also known as the killer bee. They are hardy, productive, excellent foragers and well adapted to our climate. They can be more defensive than European bees, which means proper handling and respect are essential, but they are also incredibly resilient. Then second, the Cape honeybee, Apis mellifera capensis. In the Western and Southern Cape, we also have the Cape honeybee. This bee is unique to South Africa and has fascinating traits, including the ability of workers to lay eggs. Understanding which bee you are working with is crucial, and we'll cover that in more detail later in this series. What the series will cover. This is a complete beginner series, designed specifically for South African conditions. We'll cover beekeeping laws and regulations, cost and equipment, choosing the right hive, getting your first bees, hive placement, seasonal management, common beginner mistakes, and eventually harvesting and selling honey. Each video builds on the previous one, so I recommend watching the full series in order. Who should and shouldn't start beekeeping? Beekeeping is incredibly rewarding, but it is not for everyone. Beekeeping is for you if you enjoy working outdoors, you're willing to learn, you respect bees and you're patient. Beekeeping may not be for you if you're looking for quick money, you don't like insects, or you're unwilling to follow safety practices. Bees demand responsibility. But if you give them the right care, they give back far more than you expect. If you are serious about starting beekeeping in South Africa, this series will give you the knowledge and confidence to do it right. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment below why you want to start beekeeping, whether it's for honey, conservation, income, or curiosity. In the next video, we will talk about the legal side of beekeeping in South Africa, so you don't make costly mistakes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.